If you have been confused on how to make this beautiful skirt design on this video, this method will make it very easy.
Skirt pattern, that is the front. I gum it to a fresh pattern paper like so. The depth of the pleat, how deep you want the pleat, the extension you want to achieve. You now measure the extension you want to achieve. For me here, I have 6 inches. You can measure depending on how deep you want the pleat. For me here, I'm measuring 6 inches. You can measure 5, you can measure 4, you can measure 3. So depending on how deep you want the pleat. 6 inches here. At the lower side, I also marked 6 inches for the extension. So we'll cut it out now. And on this case, we won't be needing our dart. So what we'll be doing, we'll be shaping out the 1 inch dart. We won't be making use of, we won't be needing the dart. So we'll be needing the dart. We'll have a dart of 1 inch. So we are going to be marking the 1 inch here and recommence. Because we'll be needing this dart on this scale. We'll be cutting out because this 1 inch dart, we have taken it out from here because we will be needing this dart on this skirt. We won't be needing the dart on the skirt, so we have shaped it out. And what we'll be doing next is to place a notch here, like so. If you're doing it on fabric, place notch, and also here we have the notch. We place the notch here, and also notch the center. The notch here and notch the center. So I'm opening up our this is our opening it up. This is the center, and this is our basic skirt pattern. This is one side of the front and the second side of the front, and this is the notches we placed earlier. So we are going to be making the notches to the center front. Also do this one. To the center front like so. Achieve a kiss. We have folded here inside like so, like so. We have added fullness to the skirt. Let me try this to see if I see it. That's it. This is the notch. You bring it to the center front. This is the second notch. You bring it to the center front. And this is it. So if you don't want the opening to start from here, you want the kiss bit to be at the lower side only, what you will do is like this. Because I've gone ahead to sew it down. I mark my desired length and I run machine straight down. This is our center. We will now open it up this way. This center, we will be placing it this way. See the center, we'll match it up like this. So if we match it up at the center, we'll now run a stitch to keep it in place. Run a stitch like this. So this is, you find out as you see the way it is. So we have 3 inches on this side. We have also 3 inches on this side. This is the depth, the tip of our bead, and we are not going to close it. And remember, we are matching this center front with this notch with this here. You match this to this, you place it like this. So this is it. Another look. Back from the waistline, we came down by our desired length and we sew it. And this is the opening. This is where the opening will start. So this is our key split skirt, and this is what the back looks like. You see it? Like I said, we'll be sewing here pattern. You can choose to sew from here to here if you want the opening to be small. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.